Y'all, I got my first luxury bag. And when I say luxury, I'm not talking about Michael Kors. I'm not talking about Marc Jacobs. I'm not talking about Dooney & Burke, which are all purses I love. I'm talking about I got my first Louis Vuitton. Is that how you say it? Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. However you say it. I got my first Louis Vuitton. Yes, yes, yes. And I know y'all probably saying, at this big old age, you're excited about a Louis Vuitton? Yes, I am.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is what. Let's take this show on the road. Ish, different day, I'll be bored out my mind.
Yes, I am. And let me tell you why. So like I was saying, I'm no stranger to designer bags. I started my designer bag collection with I was about to say Louis Vuitton, with Dooney & Burke, and then I went from Dooney & Burke to Coach, and then I went from Coach to Michael Kors, and I went from Michael Kors to Marc Jacobs. So while I love all four of those, and I have purses from all four of those companies, and I've given away some purses from those different, well, I'm not going to say companies, those different brands, because some of them could be under the same umbrella. But I decided, and like I said, and at the beginning I said, why is this exciting to me? Because I was one of those people that said I would never ever buy a Louis Vuitton because those purses are too expensive. Yes, that was me. Yes, that's what I said. But all of a sudden last year in November, I believe it was, I said, I want me a Louis Vuitton purse, and I got me a Louis Vuitton purse. And I don't know if I'm going to say it in the title or not, but let me show you which purse I did get. So first of all, I ordered this purse online. And yes, I do have a bag. And that's because when you order it online, they ask you, do you want a bag? And I opted to get a bag because yes, I'm going to use this bag. Once I get my room like I wanted to, I'm going to use this bag as a decorative piece. Mind your business and worry about yourself. So with that being said, we did go into the Louis Vuitton store, and the day I went into the Louis Vuitton store,
time to go be great.
I'm going. So we did go into the Louis Vuitton store, and the day I went into the Louis Vuitton store, it was right after I decided I wanted a purse, and I had not decided which one I wanted. And I went in there, and the sales rep was just trying to sell me some, and I was like, no, this is not what I want. And I'm so glad that I held out on that, because I turned around and I did a little bit more research, and I found the perfect purse for me. So then it turned around, and I was going to get this purse in the epi leather, and I was shopping with the rep, and I put my address in wrong, so my credit card declined, this, that, and the third. And so then the link didn't work, and then I had to get anyway, long story short, when I called her back to go ahead and run my card, well, when I text her back, she did not reply. So I went online and I ordered this purse myself. And the reason why I wanted to get the sales rep to do it was because she helped me in the store, so I wanted her to get credit. So with that being said, I ordered it online. And I'm glad that it did not go through in the beginning, because like I said, I was going to get the epi leather, but as I did a little bit more research, I decided on getting a different one. So let me show you my purse. So here's the box. I've had this purse now for about 3 weeks, I believe. It may be 4 weeks, but I want to say 3 weeks. So it did come tied up with all this, and I wasn't going to finagle and put this back on, and it has a little card in there. And I don't know what happened. I think I messed up my card, because originally I had for the card to say, girl, buy what you want, or it's your money, spend it. I forget what it was, but I had a quote in there. But it's not on the card. And then I got this little bad baby right here that had my receipt and all that kind of good jazz. And I'm in the US, so it goes without saying, because you can go look on the website. I got this purse for $18.20. And then of course I got the box, and so I did put my purse back in the dust bag just to show you guys. And yes, it is a small purse. I am not a big purse wearer. I have the Alma BB in the Damier Ebene. It does have the strap on it because I've been wearing it, but I'm going to take the strap off because I don't use the strap that often. So I'm going to take it off, and I'm just going to have it top handle. I like the strap, but like I said, I don't wear the strap that often, and so the strap just be dangling. So, but anyway, this is it. And I've already put the key in here. So it comes with the keys. And then the lock is here. And like I said, I got the Damier Ebene print. And inside it, It's red, and there's one pocket over here. I just have some cards in there, some gift cards that I need to check to see how much is on there. But I love the red on the inside. I have bought a pink insert to go into it, but the pink insert took up too much space, because despite the fact that you would think that the insert would just be there to hold it, the material was kind of thick. And so with this purse, it has zippers on both sides. I heard some people complain about the zipper, but I have no problem with the zipper. And then it has the feet on the bottom. I'm sure y'all have seen all this. And down between here in this part, it's just hollow. So the things don't go all the way down to down there. There's a little hollow space in there. So the product in about right there. But this purse is the perfect size. It looks so teeny tiny, and it is small. I can't think of the measurements, but it's the perfect purse for me. So I'll put the measurements up here somewhere so you guys can see. And I just love it. And I like to, like I said, wear it. Like I said, I like to just wear it like this. And if you guys know, I am 5'4", 5'3.5" on a good day. And so let me show you with the strap on where it hits me on my body. And the strap it goes here on these little hooks that are on the handle. And the strap is adjustable. I know when this purse first came out, the straps were not adjustable, but the straps are adjustable, and I do have it on the very last button. So when I wear it like it's a shoulder strap, this is where it sits on me. And when I wear it as a crossbody, this is where it sits. So as you guys can see, it's pretty long. So if I had the strap all the way, and I had the strap all the way down, it was like right here on me. Like I said, I am 5'3.5", 5'4" on a good day. I said it backwards the last time, but yeah, this is how it is crossbody. So if I am going to keep, of course, take my purse, take it with me if I go out of town or something, my straps if I go out of town or something, or if I go somewhere where I'm gonna be in there a long time, I will take the crossbody strap, because I got quite a few things in my purse, and I'll do a what's in my purse or what's in my bag, however you call it. I'll do that type of video another day. And girl, how about Louis Vuitton, the company? I know it's not the man, but they be sending me emails now. I have a Louis Vuitton account, girl. Yes. So is this gonna be my last Louis Vuitton purse? I'm not gonna say it is. Am I gonna start a Louis Vuitton collection? No, I'm not. No, I'm not, because these purses are not cheap. And like I said, I do prefer to carry it crossbody. I ended up choosing the Damier Ebene because I love this checkered pattern, and I love the fact that it does have the Louis Vuitton here without it being in the logo, which most people think the one with the logo, the monogram, or what do you call it? With the monogram print, most people think that's the original, but the Damier Ebene is actually the original. And the Damier Ebene is the one that he made for Coco Chanel. While I'm not a Coco Chanel fan, and I'm not going to go into why I'm not a Coco Chanel fan, but he originally made the original Alma for her, and it got so much popularity that it ended up becoming a bag for everybody. So the Alma comes in Alma BB, Alma PM, and Alma MM. And Alma PM is the next up size. Now I can tell you, I have thought about getting that one, but then I'm like, I need to see it in person to see how big it is, because like I said, this purse right here is the perfect size for me. I am just not one of those people that likes big purses, and the bigger the purse is, the more shenanigans I'm gonna put in the purse, if you understand what I mean. So like I said, and here's the lock, and it does have the gold hardware, and right here you can see where it says Louis Vuitton. The material, it feels so good. And at first, the reason why I was going to get the epi leather was because I wanted my purse to be fully leather, because I'm like, if I'm going to pay that much money, I need the purse to be full leather. However, I am so glad with my choice. The straps are leather, this part is leather, of course this is leather, and then this part is leather, and I can't think of what kind of leather they call it, but yes, the Damier Ebene. And then this is how you close it with if you want to use the lock. So you take them, you don't take the zip part and do it like this. You take it and hold it over, and then you take this one and you pull it here over this one, and then you can put the key right there, and the key will hold it. But I'm not putting the key on there, because if I'm going to walk around with the purse like this, then why put the key on there? Unless I take it and I take the strap off, put it in my pocket, and put the key on there, depending on where I'm at. But hopefully nobody would come and snatch my purse. But if somebody came and snatched the purse, what difference does it make whether or not they have the key? They can cut it and get it patchwork or whatever. I don't know. Or they can break the lock. Anyway, at any rate, So yeah, this is my new baby, and this is the Alma BB and Damier E-Bean. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get myself out of here and get to work. So if you're interested in seeing what I put in my bag, or what I have in my bag, or what's in my purse, or whatever it's called video, then please leave a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you get out of here. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, and thank you so much for coming back. And don't you forget to comment and not comment and subscribe, but don't you forget to like and comment. And if there's anything else that you would like to see here on the channel, please do let me know. Thank you so much again for coming to check out this video, and until the next time, deuces. Girl, now let me put my glasses on so I can get up out of here, because y'all don't have to worry about this no more, because I have a new pair of glasses coming and they are anti-glare.